Hello and welcome to Game Changers, where you, the player, makes the game together with me. You make all the decisions of the game I make, and this week I'm going to run an experiment to try this process out. There's been a lot of questions. Does this work? Will it, what is it about? So this week I'm working on a game that I designed within a game changer simulation, voting simulation, a couple of days ago. The game is called Boomboxer. It's about a boomboxer that plays music and eats dancers. It's just a short game to test this process out. I'm simulating this, so I'm just writing the votes in chat as the game changers would do in the real deal, so to speak. And then let's see. I have just 15 minutes to stream today, so I gotta be efficient with my time. I made a little plan. Right, so I also want to invite you to come on my on the first game changer chat simulation. I need people who are in the chat. They write numbers or letters for voting, and they suggest ideas by writing sentences. So this Saturday, 12 to 13 Central European time, so in the day, 12 to 13, 100 hours, Central European time, Swedish time, Saturday. What date is it on Saturday? It's the 22nd. The 22nd. I please invite you to come here to my YouTube stream and join the chat, and we'll run the first live experiment of Game Changers together. Right. Into this week's, I call it a solo simulation because I'm just the one writing here. So it's the game Boomboxer. I'm gonna show you the game design document I ran in last Saturday's experiment. Here we go. Here was the game design document that was designed through this game changer process, simulated. I don't know if the chat messages could be replayed, so you don't know all the things that I wrote there to create this, but you can watch the live. It's here in my live on my channel in the live. So basically, I showed that I got this idea from this inspiration. Starts with inspiration. It's this song "My Love for You" by ESG. I'm gonna play a little bit of it. Let's see. My Love for You, ESG. There it is. Here you can hear it. I think I have to talk over it, otherwise I might get copyright strike. So sorry to destroy your music experience, but maybe I can add to it. We've got this funky groove. It's pretty cocky. I'd love to have this song in this game. I don't know if that's possible or not. I have no idea. If you know these guys somehow, reach out to me. Right, that's the song. I'm not gonna play more of that. I saw this image, reminded me of a walking boombox, so I thought maybe it's about a walking boombox. I just made this inspiration art. It's not the final art. Hopefully, an artist can make some really good art for the game. I don't know. This is Warden. The name was selected. the cute boombox and the game design gameplay. It's a side scroller. You go from left to right. You can select songs up and down, and then you eat dancers. And if the dance matches the song, it's good. Otherwise, it's bad. So, yeah, game mechanics. That's basically it. I'm thinking 2 arrows pressing up and down to select the song. Rightly so, rightly so. So let's see what we got to, where we got to go. Yes, so I'm gonna run this short simulation of the boombox, and I'm gonna show you how fast I can make a game. It's like, or anyone can make fast games if they join a team or if they have experience. The best experience to get is going on game jams, I think. That's a great way. Learn teamwork, learn brainstorming. If it's a good game jam, if it's good, if the people who arrange it is good. In Umeå, the Hum Lab arranged a couple of game jams, though were terrific, absolutely top quality. Okay, so anyway, this week I'm gonna make this game. The launch party is on Friday. The launch party for this game is gonna be on Friday. The only thing I have right now is this game design document. So today on stream, I'm gonna start the project. I'm gonna use Unity. That's where I'm most comfortable working. So I'm gonna dive into Unity and start to make some of these features. There are no fancy graphics, there are no fancy text, there are no fancy music or sound effects, but I'm gonna prepare the features so it will be easy to plug those in later. So when I make the features today, I'm gonna focus on the bare minimum features. I just have a week, I don't have a lot of time. This is what we get from a week. So I'm gonna work on this, and then tomorrow I'm gonna present what I've made. I'm gonna present what I've made with Warden and this Boomboxer game. I'm gonna present what I've made, and we're gonna make a decision on some stuff, on the next step. Just like the game changer process. Start with inspiration, game design, then story, graphic, music. Not sure what we'll tackle tomorrow, if it's just story or both graphics and music, we'll see. I still have to work to fit it in this week. Probably all 3 tomorrow, maybe all, I don't know. At least story. I don't know. We'll see. It also depends on what I manage to create until next stream. So I also invite you to come tomorrow's stream, and let's see what's the time I decided. Tomorrow's stream is Tuesday the 18th of July 2023, of course. Tuesday 12 to 13 Central European time. 12 to 13 100 hours CET Swedish time, Central European time. I will present the features that I've been working on today and tomorrow morning for this, since I don't have a lot of time to work right now. So, without further ado, there we are. I didn't have any music on. I have this. Okay, right. Okay, so what are before I jump right in, I'm gonna make some simple features. I think that's what I'm gonna focus on this stream, and then work on actual coding before next stream tomorrow. I just got 4 minutes left of this stream. Yes. All right. So we got this idea. Can I do something like that? There we go. Here we go. And let's make some kind of features. We need to make, I think, is it 2D or is it 3D? I don't know yet. We haven't made a decision on graphics. But the actual game mechanics is probably 2D. That's how I imagine it right now. So if the game changers, when the game changer simulation, or not the simulation now, or the simulation, when the game changer is on, that's where you come in to make these decisions. What kind of style are we going? Are we just gonna go left, right, or are we gonna navigate in a 3D world? A fishing boombox, like a fish, not a fishing swimming pool. Well, okay, so this time I'm gonna run. It's just gonna be the graphic can be 2D or 3D, but the game mechanics, side scroller, walking continually. You have to walking continuity from left to right. No, warden walks continually from left to right. Yeah, endless levels. Endless. Let's make an endless level. Or do we really have time? No, I'm not gonna promise that. I don't know if I have time for that. We're gonna have the side scroller there. Water walks from left to right. You can select from 2 songs. That's the first MVP. 2 songs. When in contact with a dancer, if the song matches, the boombox eats the dancer. If not, the dancer, yeah, what's gonna happen if it's not? The dancer just, okay, there's time. Not enough time. That's the end of, and these are the features that I'm gonna be working on. MVP features for game change. No, not game change. It's Boomboxer. Results revealed on next stream. That's Tuesday, 12 to 13 Central European Time. At, what's my channel name? I don't know. Is it just this 2 Bloomberg? What? I guess it is. YouTube. At this 2. Then we also vote on next step of Boomboxer. Right, let's make a short clip. This stream we have made the game features for Boomboxer, a test simulation this week to test the game changer process. The launch party will be on Friday. Tomorrow, Tuesday, 12 to 13, the 18th of July. I will present what I've done with these features, and we will also take the next step. Welcome, game changers, to the next way to make games. Take care. Thanks, and have a good day.